Everyone, good day. This is Rose and welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're gonna start our new playlist, which is the Microsoft Excel tutorial. But at first we need to understand why we need to learn, especially this Microsoft Excel keyboard shortcut keys. It's because regardless if you're working in a small or big company, and each company has its own system, is either SAP, Soho, Oracle, Tally, or whatsoever system. Each system has its own option to export export the report to Excel, and then you can edit the data as per the requirements either by your boss, by the customer, or by the supplier. Or if you want to monitor personally your expense, you can do it also. But it's important that at least it will save time if you know some tricks. So me, I've been working for how many years, and I have this one Excel file that I'm noting down all the formulas of what I research, because not every day what you research right now you'll use it tomorrow. It depends on the scenario, the request of your employer or your supervisor. So what I notice every time I want to remember what I learned from last 6 months, I don't remember exactly how I do it because I use it only one time, but it's important. And secondly, it's time consuming to search again, so that's why I prefer to do a video of what I learned. So every time I want to remember, or I want to view again how I do it, then I have my own video of how I understand the tricks that I got to learn a few months ago. So my vlog will be divided by menu for now. So Excel has 8 menus. So the menus are the file, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, and view. But most of the time, we're using this home, data, review, not that much, view. Page layout is only so basic, and mostly it's related to the printing when you're printing something. And the formulas also sometimes I'm not using this, but we'll see. I'm gonna discuss about these formulas. So I'm gonna try to discuss the basic things that you need to understand, and then showing also at the same time what are the formulas that you can memorize. So it would be ideal, guys, that every time you learn something or every time you have some shortcut keys, try to save one file, one Excel file. Even on my phone, I'm downloading the Microsoft Excel. I'm saving the formulas in there. Not only for the formulas, also for the password, so you can use for other things. So Microsoft Excel is not only for documents, not only for business, but you can use for your own personal thing. Like if you have some family outing, and nowadays it's not already tradition that only one person is paying the bill. So if you want to divide the expense, it would be easier if you have Excel on your mobile and you can do automatically how you can divide the expense. So it's so cool that at first it's difficult because as you see, we have 8 menus and you don't know exactly which sub-menu you want to use. So little by little, so exploring Excel is, I guess it's a lifetime. Even though I know some tricks now, but I know that every day I'm also doing research, especially when I got home from work and I'm struggling something, I'm preparing documents. I do some research because in business world, time is so important. When you're sending documents to a supplier or to your customers, if you delay preparing or submitting the documents, it's either your order will be cancelled or there will be no available stock you can get. So that's how valuable time is. And that's why most of the employers nowadays, they emphasize this skill, that if you know so well about Microsoft Excel, it's not enough that you know the system, because a system, it's just you're putting all the data in there, preparing the documents in there, but the finale is always the Microsoft Excel. This is how powerful Excel is, regardless how many, there are how many um standard, premium, advanced other system like SAP or the Soho or Oracle, Tally, but Microsoft Excel also is the same level with them, because you cannot edit your data in there because there are restrictions. But in Excel, if you are a type of person that you want to explore more how you're gonna make use of this Excel, then it's very good, skill. So that is for today. Next video, I'm gonna start discussing about home, because a file, it's only usually about this opening, saving, or we can discuss about what are the shortcut keys, rather than clicking. You need to click one by one file and then click open. There's a shortcut keys for that, so it's easy for you to immediately either open one worksheet, add new worksheet, save one worksheet, print. So this much, there are shortcut keys for this, so no need for you to click it one by one here. So see you in my next video. Goodbye.